This is Harry Bogle, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Rage therapy clinics. Can you believe that term? You cannot, in this politically correct world, say anything, do anything aggressive, otherwise the left come out and crush you. And yet the pressures of everyday life in the 21st century are tenfold. And so what do they do now in the good old US of A? They have rage therapy clinics where you can go in and pay money to beat the shit out of stuff with a baseball bat. Jesus, when can we go back? This is Harry Bogle.